not gravely ill, but will he be in shape for December return concert? Hi, I'm Debbie. Vybz Kartel declares his innocence and claims musical paternity for a new generation of DJs. Saying sorry not sorry, the ever-controversial dancehall star answers his critics and dismisses the voice notes.
Vybz Kartel.
Vybz Kartel.
The Vybz Kartel.
Vybz Kartel.
Adija Jaheem Palmer.
Police custody.
Solitary lockdown.
Vybz Kartel. Kartel at the top of his game, then all of a sudden, jail. 13 years and an acquittal later.
The only thing I could have said is a surreal feeling, you know? More time I have to pinch her to find out for just for say, Jano. I wonder if I dream, I dream.
The Ramping Shop DJ's dream coming through on July 31st. A crowd cheering Kartel as he walked out of the general penitentiary, but many remarking on his appearance. Are you unwell? What do the doctors say?
Well, them say me have a thing named Graves' disease, but we're not ready for the grave. So we just call it hypothyroidism, you know? In the first stages, we used to sweat a lot. Used to have some little hand tremor, yeah, and it will swell up my eye, give me allergies.
Prison pics revealing a Kartel with facial swelling and a protruding midsection, a far cry from the Kartel of old.
Matter of fact, it's not only treatable, it's curable. So that's why we're going to fly out now, go meet up with some high-tech team. We possibly will go St. Vincent, Cuba, Switzerland, you know. We have some place where we'll seek out the best treatment possible.
How sensitive are you about the physical changes?
No, I don't feel sensitive about it. One thing with me, Mr. Miller, if determination were a person, see now.
But you're all covered up now, so you must be a little sensitive.
No, I'm not sensitive, at the style. I remember, you know, if you go up on my TikTok, you're going to see me without cover. As a matter of fact, I'm going to become the advocate for Graves' disease.
It's just been a week. He still can't absorb his enormous change of fortune.
Walking out to see so many fans waiting for Vybz Kartel, cheering Vybz Kartel. It was an amazing feeling. The 1 week coming like a 1 minute, because I still not process everything. Even this morning, me and my fiance are driving. I have to take out my phone and make a video and say, how this freedom feel like? Yeah, man, because I tell you, I still can't process it. When I wake up in the morning, I say, yo, I wait for the key sheet. It's like the institutionalized mentality still not come out. But trust me, freedom feel good.
What do you want to say to your legions of supporters, as well as those still not convinced of your innocence?
Well, first of all, I say to my supporters them, enough love, Gaza Nation. Thanks for the support, for them by my side. Cheer for me. Make me feel the love there and the appreciation there. Give me hope, you know. So Gaza Nation forever. To the people them will say, me guilty. Right now, me too busy I make money in Mr. Miller for worry about for them opinion, you know. Me too busy with my fiancé, me too busy with my kids, with my 2 grandchildren them, for even I think about haters. That's the answer for them. Sorry, not sorry.
Vybz Kartel is a kind of dancehall folk hero. Many were on your side from the start of that trial. Others heard those voice notes and were chilled to the bone. They say he's lucky to be a free man today. What do you say?
The law is the law, and the Constitution is the Constitution. And if we now work with what going in the court, better we'll go back to the medieval days then, where we have an eye for your eye and we duel it out in the street. Apart from that, anything what the court say, and that we not have to work with. So he's an innocent man. That's it.
His Gaza Nation standing by Kartel from the get-go. Free world boss, their mantra. Many, however, just as vocal that he got what he deserved. Because some people would have said, hubris overcame Vybz Kartel. He just didn't want to be the most famous and popular DJ in Jamaica, he wanted to be a crime boss.
No, I don't want to be a crime boss. You know what I mean? Remember, at Portmore we come from Waterford, so we've been grow rough, you know. But so it don't have nothing to do with crime boss. It's just that things go haywire, and you know, with the help of God and with the help of my lawyer, Isaac Buchanan and him team, you know, we set things straight and things. But now we not run down for being a crime boss. Remember, we're smart and know we're crime boss. End up, you know. That was never our goal.
But me still the lyricist.
Kartel famous as the lyrical DJ, but also famously fast on his feet and quick-witted. He's a smart guy. He's a very calculated person. He knows what he is doing. How did you go from being the most popular DJ in Jamaica to a DJ who was sentenced to life in prison?
I don't mean the system. Because the system did run right from initially. More did they a prison? Because think about this. Them send me to prison for circumstantial evidence at best, which was tampered with. Circumstantial evidence, that alone can't send nobody to prison. Plus the evidence tampered with. If I did a regular youth in Ghana and had long time, I threw a Vybz Kartel. You know, see how that Privy Council show them. There's nothing in the case. What is so special about the case? People have said justice for Lizard. Them don't know Lizard. And a justice for Lizard. A crucifixion for Kartel that them did a chant.
How do you explain the voice notes?
Me not have to explain it because I'm free. Oh, you know what I mean? You see, Pri, think about this. We see one heap of unknown youth, regular ghetto youth, come before the system for murder. Double murder, triple murder, rape, kill, picnic, everything, and them get bail. Why Vybz Kartel couldn't get bail? Where Vybz Kartel did like a run go?
Don't run.
Did you give up hope at any point?
No time, you know, see me make sure send for my woman from foreign. A 2 year now she there. So think about that. Yes, baby. Even the big SUV where you see park out there, so I buy that about 3 months ago. From me in a prison, I stay and buy it. That's how sure me knows that me have to come a road.
But it's 13 years in prison. At some point, don't you lose hope?
No, never. I tell you that. I can swear for my mother's life. No, what kind of lose hope? Remember, Anthony, we are not done, you know. So where you to read, I will understand. And from me read my transcript, all right, may I tell you something? I have a tattoo on my face. The people them must see it and I wonder what. Is a clause in the transcript, 238. For me see that me know so me that for bust my case. And the Privy Council pick up pan and say, no man, this can't work. Tamper jury, and you make that continue? Nah man, that could work. Plus other things, them breach my rights, breach my freedom of privacy, all heap of things them do. So me know say technically, me did have to work. It was just a matter of when. The haters and the bad mind people is just as much motivation for me as the fans. Because me, now I'm going to make nobody laugh off a Kartel, so Kartel live in a prison, or dead in a prison. So the bad mind people then was just as much a motivation to Vybz Kartel as the fans were. We never have one day where we despair.
How did you fill time otherwise though? Because what do you do in prison?
You wake up in the morning, them fly you about 10 o'clock, you come out on the block, you hold a bed, and your bedroom them there, they are reason and I will have vibes till 12 o'clock you lock down. Then 2 o'clock, you come out back for your next hour and a half, and then when you lock down 3 o'clock, you now sit back outside till the morning again. So you don't know, we have to just find things to do, read, write, watch TV, listen music, talk to my loved one them. That was it, that's how I spend my time.
But what was your worst moment in prison?
So me have a lot of worst moments in prison, I can tell you straight. Like, when me just go to prison, there's a feeling there, was a wicked feeling, you know? Then when me lose my appeal, that was also a wicked feeling. My grandmother dead when me there in prison. Cairo Jones' grandmother dead when we there in prison. Angie St. John mother dead when we there in prison. So it was just all my dog dead. Ben 10, R.I.P. to my pitbull. And every time my woman come visit me and she go away, The feeling there, yeah man, hot.
Kartel's lady mopping his brow during the interview. Saddam Ozturk attentive and very shy. A fan from afar.
She come from England, London to be exact. Born in a Turkey, so you know she had my Thanksgiving. And me and her chat from a longer time, and my sister, she real to the thing. I finally convinced her to come and thing, and you know, she pack her bags and she lift up. Even though her family, now them supportive and them call them sister me a real youth. But them time there, understandably, any family would have be like, you go to Jamaica to a man who in a prison? Nah man, so that's why I love her so, cause she, boy, I tell her she have faith. For her faith move more than mountain, me don't know. For her faith move on solar system.
Marriage in the stars?
Definitely me have to put on the ring for her, she deserve it. You know what I mean? Because I give her my trust and she preserve it.
But Kartel not preserving his cool during a live Thursday with Aysat.
Don't play with me, yeah?
Sending some choice words in the direction of his Turkish delight and not realizing everyone heard.
Delete the part. Right now, I have one burner. One, see them, and never two. My kids and my grandkids are my biggest priority and my fiancé. So she pretty like Beyonce.